You're trying to teach him hygiene habits and he's not listening to you, but you know who he will listen to? The Rock. He will listen to Dwayne Johnson all day long. This is a back to college kit from Papa Tui. That's the new men's like personal care line from The Rock, Dwayne Johnson. Let's see what's in this thing. You're gonna love it. Honestly, the design team thought of everything. So first up, the bucket. It's rugged, it's manly. He can carry this thing to the shower and not have to have like a shower kit, you know what I'm saying? We've got nourishing shampoo and conditioner, smells amazing, Cedar Sport. We've got the refreshing body wash. We've got the fast absorbing body lotion because he doesn't want to be greasy, and this one is fragrance free. And why is it such a struggle to get dudes to put on lotion? Because it stinks and because it's greasy. Fragrance free, fast absorbing. We've got fragrance free hydrating facial cleanser. And if he prefers bar soap, they thought of that. Cedar Sport enriching very big bar soap. Look how big it is in my hand. This is a big bar of soap. We've got the matching scent Cedar Sport aluminum free deodorant. And last up, we've got the Pimple Patches. 36 patches in 2 different sizes, fragrance free. I love the way they package this. I love the way it smells. I think we're gonna have a whole generation of men smelling better thanks to Dwayne Johnson. If you wanna grab the Papa Tui back to college bucket, I'll link it right here for you.